Hey guys, Standell Pleasure on Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Man, been on the road for about 2 weeks now. Just got home from Austin, Texas. Been 2 weeks of just a lot of travel, but glad to be back in the home front. Let me give you just a quick update of some things that are going on. This coming Saturday in Fort Myers, of course, is the Cars and Coffee. We'll look forward to seeing everybody out there. And then the weekend of the 27th, Saturday a week from now, the 27th, we got it going off all over the country. So I'll start back up in Jacksonville with a dine and drive. Up in Jacksonville, going to the Martin's Restaurant, about a 4-decade-old restaurant down at Flagler Beach. And I know that Al's putting that together, and you folks up in that part of the territory, come on, get on the drive. Let's go eat some good food. Also on the same day, Kevin Tipton has the Beamers, Benz, and Brews, Wesley Chapel area. That's a drive we have up there for our members. If you're not a member, you want to be a part of that drive because of liability, you got to become a member. So see our links down below to do all that stuff, get it buttoned up real quick. And Kevin has a blast. I think he knows every curve out in the middle of the state. I don't know how he does it, but he puts together some really fun drives out there, and they end up at a pretty nice restaurant and talk all about it. And it's fun to watch some of his videos. So jump in there with Kevin, a lot of fun. And then we're gonna come down to BMW Sarasota. We have our caffeine and gasoline, caffeine and gasoline, I think I got it right this time, on Saturday the 27th there in Sarasota, across from the BMW Sarasota. And that morning, it's a double event, a twofer, if you will, but you have to RSVP to get on the link for this. We're gonna do our caffeine and gasoline there at our normal location. Come in, and Russ always has some great donuts going on there. Come in and get all that. And then, just before 10 o'clock, we're heading just around the corner to Ceramic Pro. And Ceramic Pro is putting on a tour for the BMW Car Club, our Florida Suncoast chapter, and doing tours, some giveaways, and we're doing lunch there. And they're putting all this stuff up, and some giveaways and really nice discount stuff that we're gonna do especially for the BMW chapter. So Santiago and all the guys that are there with him at Ceramic Pro are rolling out the carpet for us. Come be a part of that. Just a really cool event. We just had a really nice outing at the OCC this past week. I saw some of the pictures that popped through right quick while I was out traveling this week. And that's cool. That'll be coming up again, typically the second Tuesday of the month. So a lot of things popping, a lot of things happen. The guys up in the Panhandle are getting ready to do some things. There's some national events that are going on right now, drive events and those kind of things. So when you see those, sign up, get a part of that. If you want to take long road trips, those things are coming. There's a picnic coming up on October the 8th, I believe Saturday the 8th, that all the folks there, Heidi and Tony and the guys are putting together. I think Alprin is helping us out. They've got a picnic coming up on October the 8th on the waterfront. So look for that RSVP. I think, I don't know if it's down built in the link yet, but it will get built in the link. But that's coming up the first, I think the first long weekend in October. So look for that. And of course the finals, we just got all the stuff finals, so we're getting ready to send it out for those folks that are RSVP'd and are on the list for the mountain drive. Get ready, you're gonna get an email blast in the next little bit to do that. We're finalizing the hotel arrangements, crossing our fingers that we can get it finalized for the Daytona Drive-On in November. So that will come out pretty soon, and everybody will get on that. I know there's some people waiting to get on. I'm getting some emails going, hey, did I miss it? No, you hadn't missed it yet. Just give us a chance. We're getting the final lodging put together there. And then of course, you'll watch for the Sebring piece. As we're coming into the end of the summer, and that's gonna come up on us pretty quick, watch for it. We'll start looking for nominations for offices and volunteers for area governors. We've got a couple of spaces open, and we're looking for some folks that want to get involved. And if you're new to the area, you just moved into Florida, I shouldn't say down, but I guess relatively everybody moves down to Florida. If you just moved into Florida, we'll say it that way, and you're coming from another chapter and you're active and you want to be active, just kick me a note and say, hey, this is something I'm good at, something I'd love to be a part of. You want to test out your skills for being a people person? Come on, we'll get you involved. It's a lot of fun. We meet a lot of folks, and we put together a lot of events. So with that, hey, as I said last week, if you're sitting on the sofa, you're missing a great time. It's a shame on you. So come on out, and as we always say, happy motoring. See you later, y'all. Thanks.